Good morning, boys and girls. Buenos días, niños y niñas. Today we are going to interpret base 10 blocks to the place value to the right as 10 times as much. Hoy vamos a interpretar el valor de posición al número a la derecha. All right, boys and girls, this is what you are going to need. You are going to need a clean sheet of construction paper. I chose yellow. I like yellow. I'm going to need a pencil and some markers. So these are the only things you will need. I'm asking you right now is if you don't have it at hand, go ahead and pause the video. Estos son los materiales que van a necesitar. Unos marcadores, un papel amarillo de construcción, no importa el color, pero que puedas escribir. Un lápiz. Ahorita pueden pausar el video para que vayan a traer sus materiales. All right, boys and girls, we are back. All right, now, first thing I want you to do is I want you to fold your paper in half. Vamos a doblar en mitad. Okay. And if you are having a hard time, just go ahead and pause the video and then continue. Come back and continue. Unpause it. Si estás batallando, ponle pausa y luego regresa y quita la pausa. We're going to fold it again. So you should have 4 parts, okay? So now we have it like this. I want you to stick your hand. My hand is pretty big, so I'm going to put about 3 fingers, and I'm going to fold one side over and cover my 3 fingers. And then I'm going to fold the other side just like that. And it looks like a small little square. I open it up, and there I have all of these giant squares. You see that? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of my markers from my marker packet here, and I'm going to trace it. I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to try to use red. I'm going to trace it. I'm just going to trace the lines. Okay. And I'm just tracing the lines. Just like that. I'm going to give you time. Go ahead and pause the video. If you need to go ahead and trace it, this will be the time to do it. Welcome back. All right. Now I am going to take my green marker because I like my green, and that reminds me of my base 10 blocks. I'm going to draw a small base 10 block. And we're going to call that one the small cube. Okay, that's the small cube. Go ahead and pause it at this time and do that. All right. The next one next to it is the base 10 block. We are going to draw one there, and I'm going to draw it as close as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one is no longer the base 10 block. It is called a long. Because we are now 4th graders, we are going to be calling this a long. Okay? Vamos a dibujar la decena. Van a ser 10 y la van a llamar largo. Okay? Esta es una decena larga. So this is a long. Pueden pausar ahorita para mientras terminamos. Welcome back. Now we're going to move over to the next one. Remember, the next place value is 10 times. So this one is going to be called a flat. And if you notice, boys and girls, I'm doing them in 2 colors, a blue and a green. The blue is for those Spanish-speaking students that need help. This is a plano. I believe this is called a plano.